The demand for crossbody bags for men has surged as modern lifestyles prioritize mobility and organization. No longer just a niche accessory for typists and gamers who need to keep their tech secure on the go, these bags offer a hands-free solution for daily commutes. This guide evaluates the top contenders based on material durability, internal layout, ergonomic build quality, and overall value for the price. Product number 1. SimpTech Mini Crossbody Sling Bag. The SimpTech Mini Crossbody is the quintessential choice for those who value a bare essentials approach. Designed with a dual-pocket architecture, it effectively separates your smartphone from jagged items like house keys or multi-tools, preventing unsightly scratches. During our evaluation, the water-resistant fabric proved resilient against light rain and sweat, making it a favorite for outdoor enthusiasts and gym-goers. The bag features a high elasticity strap that remains snug against the body, which is a critical factor for runners who want to minimize bag bounce. While it is compact, it deceptively fits phones up to 6.7 inches comfortably. The quick release buckle is sturdy and allows for rapid transitions between chest and back carry. If you are looking for a lightweight, discreet holder for your workout or travel documents, this model offers exceptional value without the bulk of a traditional backpack. Product number 2. Waterfly Crossbody Sling Backpack. The Waterfly Crossbody is a step up in terms of organization and specialized features. It is widely recognized for its earphone hole design, which remains a huge hit for commuters who prefer wired audio or want to charge their phone via a power bank stored inside. The internal layout is impressively categorized, featuring a front zipper bag and a buckle pocket that can house an iPad mini or Kindle. What sets the Waterfly apart is its breathable potted back. The mesh material promotes airflow, which significantly reduces the sweaty back syndrome common with cheaper nylon bags. It also includes a dedicated side mesh pocket for a small water bottle, a rarity in the sling category. For hikers and daily travelers, the reversible strap allows you to switch shoulders to reduce fatigue during long days of wear. Product number 3. YDF Large Fanny Pack for Men. For those who find standard slings too restrictive, the YDF Large Fanny Pack offers a more expansive 11-inch wide frame. This bag bridges the gap between a traditional waist pack and a modern crossbody. Its primary appeal lies in its heavy-duty nylon construction and oversized zippers, which feel significantly more industrial than the average fashion-focused sling. The YDF excels in loadout versatility. With 3 distinct zipper compartments, including a hidden rear pocket for passports and cash, it is an ideal companion for international travel or music festivals where pickpockets are a concern. The wide 42-inch adjustable cotton belt is softer than standard nylon straps, preventing the digging sensation on the neck when worn as a crossbody. It is the best choice for men who carry a heavy wallet, sunglasses case, and several tech accessories daily.
Product number 4. D-Ace Small Sling Bag. The D-Ace Small Sling Bag is the tactical entry on our list, featuring mole-inspired webbing on the exterior. This allows users to clip on additional gear like flashlights, sunglasses, or carabiners, making it a dream for DIYers and outdoor workers. Despite its rugged exterior, it remains surprisingly light at just 0.25 pounds. Under the hood, D-Ace uses genuine YKK zippers, which are the gold standard for durability. The bag features a reversible design, allowing the strap to be clipped to either the left or right side of the base. This customization is essential for left-handed users or those who suffer from chronic shoulder pain and need to switch sides frequently. The internal mesh pockets keep small items like SD cards and earphones from disappearing into the bottom of the main compartment.
Product number 5. TomTalk 1.5-liter sling bag with RFID blocking. The TomTalk 1.5-liter is arguably the most sophisticated bag on this list, blending urban aesthetics with high-tech security. Its standout feature is the integrated RFID blocking pocket, which shields your credit cards and tap IDs from digital theft, a must-have for city dwellers in 2026. The bag is crafted from Cordura-style water-resistant fabric, giving it a premium, structured feel that holds its shape even when empty. Internally, the TomTalk is a masterclass and minimalist organization. It includes a soft-lined pocket specifically for sunglasses or phone screens, and a built-in key tether to ensure you never have to fish for your keys at your front door. The 1.5-liter capacity is perfectly calibrated for the modern minimalist who carries a phone, wallet, and a pair of AirPods. It is the most stylish option for those who want their gear to look as good as their outfit.